Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Ming Xiao from China. This is a it's Banmian. That's all I remember. There, you can get a good look-see. And here is the obverse. The noodle will sit in the liquid for 5 minutes. If you're looking for it, there's the barcode. I was kind of playing with the idea of like putting the barcode up on each one so you could use your phone and scan it, but I'm guessing like 90% of you are watching this on your phone, so that's not going to work out so well. So what have we? We have sachets aplenty. It looks neat. Liquid sachet. Kind of a vegetable thing. Spicy liquid sachet. Liquid sachet. Ooh. A included fork that doesn't really have a lot of chutzpah. Yeah. This is gonna hang for 5 minutes in the liquid. And I like how they individually package things like this, because then it's like I don't have to have a loose noodle block when I'm taking pictures, but the practice of removing them from these can be kind of messy. Yeah, see? Stuff falling around. I don't care for that. No sir. 5 minutes. Go. But I do love my massive timer clock deal. Well, it's kind of rough because today's Wednesday, and on Wednesdays, that's the day that my kids have school. Like, you know, they go to school all week. Mimi's in first grade and Miles is in third grade. But Wednesday, it's Wacky Wednesday. They didn't have, when I was back in my day, there weren't any of these short days. We just went to school all full day. But Wednesdays, no matter what, they're done at 2:30. That's in an hour. So it's like, usually they're done at 4, and then the bus shows up around 4:10, which is just fine. But I want to show you how nice it is outside. That sounds like a nicety.
Would you like to come outside with it?
Let's go outside. Yeah, it's pretty nice out. Got my plants. There's holy basil and mint. Bunch of plants that need to kind of get a little bit of time. It's a sunny day. It's not bad. Spend some more time on the outside. Oh wow, did this thing flip? Yeah, it flipped over. That's what we're looking for. Maybe we need to look at that again. Here's the out of doors. There's the plants I was mentioning. Right? Yeah, plants. And people. Yeah, there's their visual
acuity receptor full of information about outside and kicking things that are on the floor.
But yeah, it's nice out. I'm pretty stoked. I know it's only going to get nicer. We're probably going to have some rain coming up, which really sucks, but it won't be too long until it's nice on the reg. I appreciate the reg when it comes to nice. Yeah, I've been doing like 3 reviews a day for the last little while, and it's been cool. I've been taking some time off. Now I'm kind of taking some time back on, and I'm gonna take some time off again. It's just kind of how I roll. So you'll enjoy that, as I say, you enjoy that. The Noodle seems to be doing pretty well. This reminds me. It mentioned it was a Banmian, but this reminds me of a Banmian. Because when I look at this noodle, it's flat, not wavy. Very much reminds me of almost like an egg noodle, but it's definitely very Banmi-like. So, Banmian, Banmi. Could be the same deal, I don't know, but I'm going to just say it looks quite a bit like it. Oh yeah. It's Wednesday. All day it's Wednesday. It's also the day that the kids do their homework. They're not a fan of the homework, but just like, listen, get your homework done, you can do other junk, just chill. But that'll be a little bit of a struggle against the machine, and then they will just go, okay, fine, we'll just do it. And then they do it, and they're done, and then it's good, and they can do whatever they want. Yeah. Yepity yep. We got 18 seconds according to this. How long does it say on this? It's close. It's close. Yelling guy. I wonder if he's still down there or if he's happy because it's sunny. I don't know, but yelling guy. Wow. I think it's fascinating, people that just like are in public and just yelling, and it's like impossible to understand what they're saying, and they just yell and yell and yell and yell. I mean, it's not good, obviously, but it's kind of neat. Oh. No, I shouldn't have done that. Well, what do I do now? So what I did is I added the water for the next one. I'll just start the... I don't know. I took I almost took it seems like about a month off. And then getting back into my regular doings and stuff. It's not like back of my hand stuff. You'd think it would be, but it takes a little while to get back into the whole swing of junk. Okay. Let's add everything in and we'll give this a try. So I have hopes on this. I hope it has a nice flavor. I hope it's not just 99.999% Szechuan pepper, because that would not really be my thing. But the name of it is unique enough that I'm guessing I'm going to be pleasantly surprised. I think it wasn't Wuhao. Wu Ming? Fujian? Definitely a provincial variant. You know what I like are the instants that I've had that have flavors that come from Henan. Those are neat. Ooh, is that a sesame paste? I'm kind of in the mood for that. Yeah, it is. I like sesame paste noodle. And I certainly didn't when I first got started, but it grew on me. And grew and grew and grew. There you go. this, I'm gonna guess, is probably like Szechuan pepper oil. I don't know. Well, let's get all up close and personal with this one and give her a try. After we stir thoroughly. I'm gonna try something today too. I'm pretty stoked. I've got like it's a mat, like a keyboard mat, right? But it's green screen color. And the plate that I'm gonna use today is one that kind of gives me fits because it's an odd shape. But if I put the green screen mat behind it, and then I use Photoshop to do a magic wand select, that might work really well. So I'm hoping that will save some time. Don't worry. Okay, this looks about as what I expected it to look like. It looks nice. Question is, does it taste any good? I really hope so. This actually came from, I should mention, Daniel over at exoticnudes.com. You should go check out his subscription boxes, because they've got stuff that's not just Japan, but all over the world. And they're really good. Cheers. Mmm. Okay. Damn, that's a good one. So it's got a nice hit of Szechuan pepper, a little bit of regular. I don't even know if it's Szechuan pepper. I think it might just be chili pepper oil. And then it's got a hint of sweetness and this really nice sesame paste along with it. This is good. And the noodle is very good. Yeah, I'm enthralled. Mm-hmm. That's a freaking win right there. Oh boy. Oh boysies. Wow. No, we can't boil that much yet. Here's our noodle. Wow, that is yummy. I mean, wow. That is a flavor I find to be quite exceptionally good. Slap an egg. Since it's a Chinese variety, we're going to add some scallion. I only made enough for the next one, so I'm going to have to put these on here and then take them off for the next one. This is Chinese sausage. A delicacy to be sure. Sesame seed. I think that's it. I am really thrilled with this. That's top 10 Chinese list kind of stuff right there. I'm not kidding. That's yummy. Yummy! Wow, folks, that is good stuff. Yeah, that right there. It's really good. There's that barcode. Look it up. I had a hell of a time finding it anywhere, but wow. All right, so the next one I'm doing is artificial beef with pickled mustard. This is Daishike by Wei Wang of Taiwan. On the next episode, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Miriam, and my favorite type of noodles is creamy chicken noodles, and I sometimes like egg on it, and I like Naruto with it, and cheese on top. It's my most favorite.